Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a bank account on LastPass. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on lastpass.com and then get on the left side. Now select bank accounts. Now get on the bottom right corner, select this plus icon. Now enter here the name, enter here the folder, enter here the bank name, enter here the account type, enter here the routing number, enter here the account number, enter here the SWIFT code, enter here the IBAN number, enter here the PIN, enter here the branch address, enter here the branch phone number, and write down the notes here. And after filling up all of these details, you just need to select on the save button, and that's how you guys can successfully add a bank account on LastPass. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.